Class, Professor Snape suffered a minor potion accident.
Not the desired effect.
So please welcome your substitute teacher, all the way from Las Vegas, the phenomenon himself, Criss Angel! Hello, young magicians. Are you ready to get mind-freaked? Magic is very simple when you balance your mind, body, and spirit right on the razor's edge.
Yes, but sir, will we be going over the answers to yesterday's homework?
Here's the only answer you need, little lady. There are no answers.
That textbook was £65.
I'm sure it didn't weigh anywhere near that much. Mindfreak! Now, how'd I do it?
You used a wire.
Wire?
There's a wire and a pulley. I see it.
Wrong. I merely freaked your minds. Field trip.
Where did teacher go?
Mind freak! That's right, students. When you no longer fear the extreme, you too can tame mythical beasts.
That's not a unicorn.
That's literally a pony you painted
You
white.
clearly just hot glued the horn to its head.
Is that house paint?
It's a unicorn. Unicorns exist. They're real.
We know they're real. There's one right over there.
Oh man, kids, I totally need that unicorn for my stage show at the Luxor, Las Vegas.
Unicorns belong in the wild.
I can see your minds are not fully free. Now watch as I tame myth itself.
That was thoroughly unenjoyable.
Stupid muggle.